Continental 1252H white horizontal baby changing by Continental commercial is one of the best sellers among diaper changing tables products. Continental manufactures plastic and metal products such as restroom supplies, buckets, refuse containers, carts, and Traeger sprayers for the janitorial and food service industries. The company is headquartered in Bridgeton, Missouri. Horizontal diaper changing station supports up to 250 pounds and concave shelf with safety straps for child security. When open, station measures 4 by 34-14 by 18 inches, height by width by depth. Measures 4 inches, depth, when closed. High-density polyethylene inhibits bacterial growth. Molded in, dual liner dispensers hold approximately 50 liners for protection. Compliant with ASTM F2285-04, 2010, and ANSI 535, 3 and ANSI 535, 4.